Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose and it's time to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. What we're going to do on this episode is go over all of my midnight allocation. So I've accumulated roughly 1,000 night. I was hoping it would be a bit higher, but we'll get into some of the reasons why it's been slowing down. Effectively, we are in the medium difficulty. So hopefully you guys are enjoying this series of midnight videos. I've also noticed that a lot of you have also joined Danet. So guys, hit up the link tree and get in there. We'll take you there later on in the video. But guys, like, comment, subscribe, let the moose know how loose you're getting in on night. Are you running one computer, two computers, four computers, or whatever you're doing, let me know. So I'm going to show you the 5 wallets, my 5 core wallets that I have set up. Keep in mind, I also have a laptop in a different room that is also running 2 other wallets. So if you guys want more, I'll actually pull it up so we can get to that as well. But yeah, guys, it's not too late. You still have some time. So Night is the new privacy chain. Partner chain to Cardano. So if you guys do want to see some tutorials, head over to the channel. I would watch this video. Let's just type it in. Let's just put night. And it would be probably which views video. Yeah, right here. One of these. The scavenger mine is live. Claim your night token. So guys, you're going to use the link tree. Okay. We also have 100x projects down here. Okay, I should put midnight in there. Maybe I'll end up putting it in there because it could. I would bet that, we're not going to see a dollar night. I already did a video on this. It's probably going to be a couple pennies. But it could be more. It could be 10, 20 cents. Like, that would be incredible, right? It would have to launch very well, high market cap. But again, it's got to be on different exchanges and more. But guys, use the link tree. You have quick links there, not only to ensure that you are on the right website, but also to make it easier for you. So here we have the phase 2 scavenger live link. This will take you to the midnight website. And of course, we have links to everything else that we talk about on the channel. So that's pinned in the comment section as well as in the description of every single video here on the channel. Okay. So Night, what is going on? Let's first start with some news. This is by Cardano. So I don't know if this is 100% accurate, but let's just assume it is for the sake of the video. Currently over 11.4 million Cardano ADA wallets are mining Night tokens in the scavenger mine. So that is a number from, it looks like from code here. So it does look kind of legit. We did pop this up, which looks updated from CEX Explorer. If I say Sex Explorer, people are like, Moose, quit talking about sex. Guys, scavenger mine rewards day 1. So if you are in day 1, you have also 24 solutions you could potentially solve. So when you're mining for night, it looks like this. We'll get into it in a little bit, but basically, you keep your browser open, you connect your wallet, and it's going to solve problems. So challenges come up, and there's a level of difficulty. Right now it's medium. So mining difficulty determines the computational work required to mine a solution. Higher difficulty means more work is needed to find valid solutions, okay? So it will get more difficult to solve them. If I go back, you can see that even the Moose's computer is not solving all of them. But I will say, I have been running OBS, and that's like a screen. That's how I'm able to do videos like this in real time. I also have like a Blackmagic camera, and I have like microphones. I have a bunch of tabs open, and I also have DaVinci open, right? So I'm doing very high-end video production work where I'm editing raw footage, like 12-bit raw. I'm color grading, rendering. So that would be inhibiting things probably a little bit, especially the browsing, right? I don't know if it's more computer graphics. I think it's just more RAM based. So close as many tabs as possible. Leave it running. Sometimes the session will stop, so you have to monitor it a little bit. So anyways, day 11. So you're probably going to receive roughly 1.4 night per solution. That leaves you about 20 to 30 night per day, let's just say. Okay. I mean, it'd be 20 to 40. So 20 to 40 night, that's probably what you're going to estimate to get. So this is my core wallet, 441 night. Really cool. So you can see current challenge 278 out of 500, I believe, out of 504. Okay. So this is my main wallet. And then I have another wallet where I started a few days later, and really cool. So we have 125. This all totals to around 1,000 night, plus my other computer. I'll be at 1,500 night. I'm well over 1,000 now. Here's another one I started around the same time. I just created a new Lace wallet and created a new Google or, a different login. So in the top right, I'm not going to log into that. 126 on this wallet, 113, and then I think that's it. Yeah. So that's it. But all these different wallets are doing quite well for the Moose. So I'm pretty happy, pretty excited for night. So definitely, guys, let me know. I'm just kind of going through things here a little bit. I definitely want to know what you guys are earning for your scavenger mine, right? So on Twitter, there's quite a bit going on, a lot of commotion regarding night. So let's see if there's anything else here that, we could take a look at. ADA is back up too, which is good. So when people start getting their night tokens, I would like for us to be in a bull run, to have positive momentum, because at the end of the day, this is an altcoin. And right now we do have the Zcash narrative, right? So that's a well-known, I believe a cypherpunk crypto that was developed similar to like Monero to give privacy, right? And it does use ZK rollups, etc. Cardano struggling right now, but at the end of the day, we do want alt season, and I think by the time you get your night, it's going to be cool. And by the way, you're not going to get your night right away. I've done a video on this. Maybe I can get to it now, because people keep asking, oh, when am I going to get my night? I don't see my night. You're not going to get it until like a little while. So once it becomes available, it's the Glacier Drop. So like the phase 1, I believe it's going to be in stages of like every 90 days you get 25%, and it goes over a year, right? So 90, 180, 270, 360. So it's going to take a bit of time. Let's see on the website here. Might as well just let loose and have my coffee and just go over this with you guys. So guys, comment down below whatever questions you have. Any questions you have that you want me to even research and go over. I'm happy to do that at night. So I'm definitely a crypto addict. I got my eBay store running now. I'm selling online courses, all that. So this is all I really do. So claim, redeem. I did a video on all this, by the way. Claim sunsetting. Let's see. Following the redemption period, 90-day grace period, the night claim portal will cease to be operational. Drop scavenger mine. So lost and found is next. We're going to be doing that. Here you go. Okay. This is what I wanted to get to. So the thawing and redemption period, duration 450 days. During the redemption period, Glacier Drop and Scavenger Mine claims thaw unlock following a staggered schedule in 4 installments over the course of 360 days. So again, day 1 to 90 will be the first 25%. Then, the next 90 days you'll get 50%. So it's thawed out. That's the Glacier Drop. So that is for Glacier and Scavenger Mine. So that is for what you're earning for phase 1 and phase 2. That's what it seems like, which is really cool. Okay. And then Lost and Found is at the end, duration 4 years. It will begin sometime after midnight mainnet launches. So this is after. So really, this is your chance to get in. This is your moment, right? This is phase 2. And yeah, like I'm excited for the redemption period. Hopefully that begins right after we're done with this. So once phase 2's done, hopefully we'll begin to like you'll get 25% of your tokens after 90 days and then so on. So guys, with that being said, hit up the link tree if you guys do want to support the channel. Pick up a Tangem, take an online course. People have been ordering these left and right, so I'm really happy, really proud to be, getting people into cold storage. So this has been selling well, and I know a lot of you have to use a cold wallet because you have a lot of money in crypto. I don't want you guys to lose it, okay? So hit up those links, get in DNet. I've done videos on this, man. If you go under videos on the channel, we're almost at 8,000 subs. That's why I'm going to try to do a video a day, even if it's simple. Top 9 coins. That's a cool video if you're kind of more new. And then right here, guys, earn free crypto. This is another opportunity. Guys, earn free crypto. Like, join DNet. And I talk about midnight. So, guys, with that being said, the moose is loose. We'll see you in the next one.